Hello and welcome to the Zgadget review. Today we're going to be unboxing the Razer Phone 2.
Just a little piece ripped.
Razer's logo.
Razer on the front. Razer on the back. That's it. It's a little tab here to open it. Oh wow, it's magnetized. This is a really nice box. It's a nice package. Here we have a little note from Minglian Tan, co-founder, CEO, and creative director. It says the Razer Phone was created for those serious about performance, whether it was kicking ass in game or kicking back and enjoying movies in HDR. Showed the world the device that redefined the standard in mobile gaming and entertainment. Now meet the Razer Phone 2, like sharply honed blade. The Razer Phone 2 refines every element of its predecessor with a new design and improved features for incredible dual experiences. A flagship phone for everyday use and powerful gaming phone for immersive play. True to Razer, we remain uncompromising to the standards we deliver. Our phone continues to set the bar higher for flagship smartphones with extreme performance, sleek design, and a mobile gaming experience you can't find anywhere else. Congratulations on your newfound mobile advantage. The Razer community is built to connect those who seek the winning edge. Be the first to get news, score Razer rewards, join exclusive giveaways, and much more all in one place. Boom! That's what this phone has to offer us. It says it right there on that piece of paper. So here we have the phone, flagship gaming. Let's take it out, see what else is in here. The phone sits there. It's cool that it stays there. We'll take the phone after this. Let's look at what's in here. Looks like the regular paperwork in here. So we get some stickers, Chroma, Razer, a SIM card removing tool with the Razer logo. We have an actual instruction manual for the phone. You rarely see that. Like, you don't see that anymore. We have the charger here. It's the power cube, fast charging power brick. We have a dongle for your headphone jack since it doesn't have it anymore. Headphone jacks going the way of the dodo. We have the power cable, which is braided, has Razer green in there. It's pretty cool. Feels durable. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's look at this. Look at that. That looks nice. This one's actually kind of heavy. I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy. Let's take it out of its packaging. Oh, look at that. So shiny and pretty. Clean. Speaker grills. Front camera, sensor. It's a dual speaker phone. We have the volume rocker on the side. The SIM card tray. It's a glass back. The fingerprint sensor. The back looks like it's going to be a fingerprint magnet. We have the USB-C charger, no headphone jack anywhere on the phone. This has been an unboxing of the Razer Phone 2. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. Make sure to hit that bell so you're alerted when more videos are coming your way. Thank you.